I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering gear and enabling the software pipeline. Connect your PC or console to the capture chain. Once done, install a virtual desktop or streaming app that can mirror games in real time. Make sure your input devices are ready: a 360 controller for gamepad titles, or a phone with gyro and a clip for head tracking. Calibrate display resolution and set frame rate to 60+ frames per second, so motion looks steady and input lag stays low. Next, construct the middle pipeline that simulates VR. Use an HDMI capture device or local streaming, Steam Remote Play, Parsec, to send video to the device that will act as your headset. At the same time, enable head tracking by pairing your phone's gyro to FreeTrack or FaceTrack Noir. This translates yaw, pitch, and roll into camera movement. Then apply stereoscopic or depth simulation with a shader or VR emulation tool to create parallax. Tune projection and IPD settings until motion and perspective feel natural. Finally, finalize performance and ergonomics before play. Lock frame timing by using wired LAN or USB capture and drop graphical settings that cause frame spikes. Make sure audio and video are synced to avoid nausea. Adjust field of view and IPD-like offset with your emulator, and smooth head tracking to avoid jitter. Balance responsiveness against stability. If things go wrong, check for dropped frames, Wi-Fi interference, or miscalibrated gyro. Recenter tracking, reduce latency sources, and restart only the affected components when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.